Hi, welcome back to Lavender Cocoa Kitchen. And my special guest today is the lovely Lakshmi Gowda.
Hello, everybody.
Hi, Lakshmi. Welcome back.
It's been a while.
Yeah. So today I'm going to do one of your favourite drinks, caramel latte.
My favorite.
So we're actually going to make a whipped caramel latte. And this is inspired by the Dalgona whipped coffee trend, which no doubt you've seen and heard about. It won't be exactly like that, obviously. It's just another inspiration taken from that trend. And as you know, caramel latte can be quite sweet and high in sugar. And this one is also sweet, but we're using better forms of sugar that are more natural and more nutritious. So we're going to start by making a date caramel, which is the basis of the caramel latte. So I've got here some dates. It's 3/4 cup, soaked in 1/2 cup of hot water, just to soften the dates. You've got such nice fingernails.
Yes, I did them.
A teaspoon of vanilla to this, just to give it a better flavour. And a little pinch of salt. So it's more like a salted caramel.
Oh, good.
So not too much, just a little bit to bring out the flavours. Yeah, it should be fine. And just to give it a more rounded caramel flavour, we'll use some coconut cream. So we need about 3 tablespoons of coconut cream. All right. So we just need to blend this till it becomes smooth. As you can see,
yes,
we have a smooth caramel.
delicious.
You can have a taste if you like.
I will, actually.
Tasty. It's like caramel.
Yeah.
Would you know that there's dates in there if you didn't know?
Probably not.
Yeah, well there you go.
Delicious.
A delicious and healthy caramel. So we'll just set that aside. Let's put it in the fridge while we make the other part. So now we're going to make the whipped coffee topping.
Okay.
So to do this, we're going to use chickpea liquid. That's from a can of chickpeas. So we just need about 1/3 cup. This is going to make our meringue, which makes a nice whipped topping. So I'm going to use some xanthan gum. It just acts as a thickener and stabilizer to make the meringue a little bit better. So I only need like about 1/8 teaspoon of that. It's not very much anyway. It won't taste like anything. So we're just going to start whipping this until it starts whipping up like meringue. So now we need to whip in 2 to 3 tablespoons of fine coconut sugar. So while it's on, you just add the sugar in as it's beating. Yeah? Whip in 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Depends how strong you want your coffee. You can put like a half or a whole, whatever you want. Yeah. Nice coffee flavoured meringue.
Wow.
That we can use as a topping.
Amazing.
Is it good?
Yeah.
So all you have to do is put a layer of date caramel on the bottom. Then we're going to top it up with coconut milk, almond milk, whatever you want, and put this on the top. And I might put it in a piping bag so we can just pipe it on the top. Just however much you like, really, it's up to you. You can have a lot or a little, depends how much you want it. Warm milk or cold milk, it depends whether you want it to be warm or cold. How far you want, probably up to about there. So, if you want to make a nice singed meringue, you can use a paint gun to, I don't know if a hairdryer would work, would it? Or would it not be hot
Blow
enough?
it everywhere.
Yeah. But obviously, if you have a kitchen blowtorch, that's what you could use, but we don't have one. So there we have our lovely whipped caramel latte.
Delicious.
So would you like to taste the whipped caramel latte?
Absolutely.
Let's see if it's as good as it looks.
Delicious.
That's nice.
I think I'll have another one.
You think it's better than the packet one you get at the supermarket?
Of course. Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Hello.
Jador's come to have a taste. Would you like a taste? Jador, look. Cheers.
Cheers.
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.